Hi, I'm Shoma and welcome to my video today on the crystal quartz. Look at the beautiful crystal quartz. It is also called Sphatic in Sanskrit or Shivratna. So the crystal quartz, the word quartz comes from German and crystal comes from the Greek word krustallos, which means ice. And the ancient Greeks used to consider the crystal as the ice of God. So the crystal quartz or sphatic is called the master healer stone because it can cleanse and it can harmonize. It has healing powers. It can increase your psychic abilities, memory, intuition, and just it has a very cool energy. So it used to be used by the ancient Roman royalty. The women would carry crystal like this in their hands in summer to feel cooler. And also the ancient Sumerians used to use the crystal quartz as a stamp or a seal on official documents or on clay. And the Egyptians used to make beads or also different kinds of artifacts or bracelets, jewelry. And even in India, like people use japa malas for mantra jap out of sphatic, because sphatic has this power that it can retain energy. So you can energize every bead of the crystal with your mantra energy when you are chanting, and it's especially used in chanting of the goddess Lakshmi. So before we continue, I'd like to say a little purification mantra, which is devoted to Lord Vishnu. He is the preserver in the Hindu trinity of gods. So let me show you. This is Lord Vishnu with his beautiful wife, Goddess Lakshmi, who is the goddess of abundance and wealth. So join your hands together in Anjali Mudra. Close your eyes. Om apavitro ha sarvang vashtam gathuk beva yaha smarit pundrikaksham sabhaya yantrabha sujahi. So there is a saying in English that one rotten apple can spoil the lot. But the sphatic crystal is the exact opposite, because one crystal can actually cleanse the lot. It is the master healer stone which is used to clean the energies or recharge the energies of even the other crystals when they are tired of healing. So it can heal the other healers too. So it's the stone used by mystics, by healers, Reiki practitioners, by sadhakas who do a lot of mantra jap. So it's just a really special stone. And the shivling made out of sphatic is considered to be extremely powerful. So it's also called the Shivratna. And it's denoted by the planet Uranus, which is related to awakening. So in Jyotish Shastra, the outer planets like Uranus, Neptune and Pluto were not traditionally considered, but they were mentioned in the Mahabharata by sage Vyas. They were called Shweta, Shama and Tikshna. So Uranus related to this sphatic is called Shweta or white, which is a perfect name for it actually. And it is used as a cooling agent, as a stress reliever, improves your memory and intellect. It helps with your sleep patterns, and it has a prismatic quality. So it can split light into all its different colors and resonate with each of the frequencies. So it can be used to align all the different colors of your chakras, to align and harmonize them, so your body works in balance on both the mental, physical and emotional planes. It helps to neutralize the background radiation and negativity of your thoughts, or just negativity outside, protect you from psychic attacks. And it absorbs negative energy and neutralizes and releases positive energy. So it's a cleanser. It also cleanses your soul. It can help in communicating with angels, the psychic ability, opening up your angel pathways, and helps in meditation, understanding yourself. Um, it can also help with electromagnetic radiation, because we all have like cell phones and stuff, so it helps to have this around close to you, either as a mala or to just hold it in your hand for some time, like a stress reliever. Helps to cool you down. It's the birthstone of April, and it can be worn by anyone, so it's not related to just, these people can wear it. Also, like the other gemstones, they have rules, but this can be worn by everyone. It's a master healer, and you can use it at work, in your house, or just keep it in a purse, or just wear it as jewelry. So the Sphatic is really special to me, especially. I just love it. It's so beautiful. It actually makes you feel good when you hold it. So that's it from me on the quartz crystal today. So thank you so much for watching, and if you like the video, please hit like below the video, and share it, and with your friends, spread the word. So lots of love. Namaste.